How's it, guys? Morning, welcome back. We're going to repair a Centurion D5 Evo. There's a couple of aspects. So what they've done is they've welded a steel round bar onto an angle iron, and obviously it's coming off. Because it's not welded in everywhere. That's one aspect that we need to repair. The other aspect that we have, so we've got this brush on the gate. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't work. Quickly. And quickly close this gate. And hopefully you can see it, the angle of the steel gate rail on the gate motor pinion gear. All skew. And then we have quite a distance from the gate motor to where the first gate wheel is, so which causes the whole gate system to jump up and down and swag. So let's see if we can just adjust it a little bit. Just give you an idea, quickly remove the gate motor. You're gonna quickly clean it. We've also cut the steel rack off from the steel sliding gate. Let's quickly just address some aspects. Here's the gate motor taken out. We're going to quickly strip it. This is a 2014 model. And just clean it out a bit, because the symptoms were that there's some oil leaking. There you can see that the DOS disc is filled with oil, and that's why the gate motor is malfunctioning. And the rain is going to catch us. Quickly show you that welded the steel top rail onto the angle iron. So we won't have the problem where the tires of the vehicle moves it again. Obviously the areas where it's not coming over, there's no need. There's more focal points that we need to look at. But yeah, now it's all good. Now the gate should run much better than what it was. And let's quickly have a look. We fitted a new cover here on the gate motor, gate rail. So if you keep your eye out on the gate motor, you'll see that it stands dead still. And the gate motor is running this gate smoothly. So with the movement of the steel gate wheel, we had to extend the track and the end stop. That's it. Right, done with all of the repairs. There's a couple of things. We moved the rear steel gate wheel more to the back, so the tail is not wagging the gate anymore. We've re-welded the steel gate rail into position. Time to test it. So guys, if you want your gate motor properly repaired, just give Pottie a call, 083 778 2288, or give Amanda a call, 083 719 2250. Watch out for smart gates. It's a new website that's being developed. https://www.smartgates.co.za for all of the smart gates and smart systems. But the old systems are still running just as good as the new systems. A little bit better built compared to the new systems, but yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.